In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add initiatives in Jira, a popular project management tool by Atlassian. For those of you who are new to Jira or are looking to optimize your project tracking, this guide will walk you through the process of adding initiatives to your project workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your project settings. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Issue Types. This is where we will begin configuring our initiatives. Issue types in Jira are fundamental because they represent the individual pieces of work in a project. They help categorize and manage your tasks, and initiatives act as higher level organizational tools, grouping together various tasks under a larger goal. Now, once you are in the Issue Types section, you will see an option to add issue type. Clicking here allows you to create a new category for your project tasks. When creating this new issue type, you need to enter a name. Since we're focusing on initiatives, type initiative into the field. Naming is crucial as it helps everyone on your team easily identify the purpose of the issue type without need for further explanation. After naming your issue type, the next step is to choose an icon. This visual representation will appear next to your initiatives, making them quickly identifiable. So click on the change icon option and browse the available icons to select one that best fits the essence of your initiatives. This can be particularly helpful for those who are more visually inclined, as it speeds up the recognition process when scanning your project board. Once you've selected your icon and reviewed your settings, click Create. Congratulations, you've now established a new issue type called an initiative within your project. But you're not done yet. The real magic happens back on your main project board. Returning to your board, you are now ready to create a new issue. Start by clicking the button to create issue, and from the drop-down list of issue types, select Initiative. This selection ties the new task directly to the framework we've just created, ensuring your work aligns with the broader objective you've outlined. Now that you've selected Initiative as your issue type, it's time to fill in the details of this new entry. Add a clear and concise summary, a detailed description, and any other pertinent fields that your organization or project might require. Providing comprehensive details at this stage is crucial. It ensures everyone on the team understands the goal and the context of the initiative. Finally, once you have filled in all the necessary information, hit the Create button to finalize the process. Your new initiative is now live in your Jira project, serving not only as a task but as a strategic element that contributes to your project's broader vision. And there you have it. You've successfully added initiatives in Jira, streamlining your project management and setting your team up for success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.